This video.
All right.
5 laps in the R8. We
All
ready
right.
to do this?
I'm good.
Okay, let's go ahead.
All right.
Let's roll out. Very good. Nice and slow through here. And we'll pull up to those that third green cone up there, kind of by the track,
Okay.
just so I can check the track status. Go ahead and make this stop. Okay, let's go ahead and roll on track. Right, upshift. Right here we have our turning cone, so we'll go ahead and turn on in nice and tight to that apex. That's our, once we unwind that wheel, we can squeeze on that throttle. Upshift. Oh yeah, we got a left foot. I like it. Yeah, we don't want to start braking until about this one cone. We'll start light, long braking, downshift once. Turn on in. Great natural line, I can already tell. So we'll wait on the throttle, get on that throttle here, squeeze on that throttle. There we go. Start our braking light and long right now. Off the brake, turn on in the car. Yeah. And we can just use a little bit of throttle maintenance through here. So off the throttle as we turn in. Go ahead and squeeze on that throttle and unwind that wheel. Beautiful. Stay all the way to the right here. Looking over that left shoulder. Squeeze on that throttle as we unwind. Great job. Wait on that turn in. Yeah. Squeeze on that throttle as we unwind. Come about mid-track. Don't come all the way over here. And we'll get nice and tight on that apex cone. And then we're squeezing on the throttle as soon as we come out. Nice even braking. Downshift that corner. Squeeze on that throttle. Unwind. Upshift. Beautiful. Off the brakes, let the car turn. Squeeze on the throttle, we got a little bit of throttle area here. Off the throttle, let's let the car turn in. Squeeze on that throttle. Yep, great job. Start that braking light and long, downshift one. Wait on that turn, yes. There we go, we're all good. Squeeze on, yeah, you can feel it, right? When you need to squeeze on that throttle. Awesome. Downshift. Off the brake. Okay. There it is, you got it. Squeeze on that throttle.
Oh my God.
How was that? Make sure to breathe. Squeeze on that throttle. Wait on this turn in. Wait on this turn in. Wait on this turn in. Now turn in. See, because we can already unwind. Look, I can already unwind.
Oh, okay, sure.
Yeah. Squeeze on that throttle. Stay on the throttle through here. We're fine. No brakes, no nothing. Yep. Just squirrel turn.
Oh, sweet.
Start your braking light and long. Downshift. Beautiful. Turn that car. Squeeze on that throttle. Upshift. There we go. Off the brake. Squeeze on the throttle. Nice little straightaway through there. Off the throttle. Stay off the throttle. Squeeze on the throttle. There it is. Start the braking light long. Downshift. There we go. Wait on that throttle. Squeeze on that throttle. Now you feel it, right? Okay. Off that brake, off the brake, off the brake. When we start braking into a corner, the car will tend to, there we go, squeeze on the throttle. The car will kind of get in a little bit of a slide, so we want to get off that brake and let that car turn. Awesome. Unwind that wheel, unwind that wheel. Yep, beautiful. Nice and smooth, I like it. Stay on the throttle, no brakes, no brakes. There it is. Downshift. There we go. Squeeze out of there. Yep. Upshift. Off the brake. Squeeze on that throttle. Point that car. Yep. Light brake. brake, off the brake. Wait on the throttle. There we go.
Oh my god.
Upshift. Virtual high five. Woo. Start that braking light on. Junction. Remember, let's keep it nice and smooth. Smooth as fast. Start that braking. Earlier. Lose those glasses. There you go. All good. That downshift, start that brake. Off that brake. Great job. Upshift. Off that brake. Squeeze on that throttle. Yep, that's alright. Keep it nice and long. There we go. Squeeze on that throttle. Wait on that turn in. There it is. Squeeze on that throttle. You got it perfectly. Start that braking earlier. Off the brake. There it is. You got it. Off the throttle. Yeah, let the car suck back in. Squeeze on that brake. Squeeze on that throttle. Got this. You're amazing here. Let's go ahead and watch out. Alright. Let's give them a little space. Perfect. Go ahead and squeeze on that throttle. Start that braking long downshift once. Off that brake. Squeeze on that throttle. Yeah, Dustin, you got behind us. Start that braking early. Off that brake, turn. We're gonna go ahead and let these guys go around this real quick. Oh, keep your hand on.
Keep my hands on the wheel. Keep my hands on the wheel, Ron.
It's alright. Alright, cool. We're gonna go ahead and exit track.
Go this way, left?
Yeah. Just, you can kind of see the tire marks. High five!
Awesome. Thank you
Did you
so
have fun?
much. Oh my god, that was amazing.
Great job. Great job listening too. You know, you saw how that visual scanning really helped.
Yes,
right?
yes.
Yeah.
That one corner, like that one sharp, like the turn and then the other turn right after it is the
double apex?
Yes, is the
You nailed that twice, really good.
Right.
You'll see on the video. But you'll see how, as we're going around that apex, that throttle maintenance is really important. And as you lift off the throttle, the car will kind of suck back in.
Right.
So you just kind of have to judge that when you're lifting off the throttle, so you can get that nice straight shot to that next cone.
Yeah,
but
and the Ferrari's gonna be, I'm doing the 458. That's gonna be completely different
completely different.
because it's not all-wheel drive.
And let's go ahead and this one right here. Yeah, perfect. 458 is a very, very awesome car. Also, it's the steering inputs are really sensitive.
Right.
So you'll want to be as smooth as possible. But yeah, just throw it right there. That's it. And if you wouldn't mind, just turn that wheel to the left. Yeah, just so we don't roll anywhere. And we'll say bye to the video.
Bye.
You did awesome.